You're too good. You're too good for that. You're too good to even wait for an explanation. अभी से कुछ सालों के बाद ये इंस्टेंस आपको लगेगा कि ओह मैं भी कितनी बेवकूफ थी जो ऐसे किसी इंसान के पीछे अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रही थी, अपने आप को क्वेश्चन कर रही थी. You will never be enough for the person who is not right for you, who doesn't deserve you. उस इंसान के लिए no matter what you do, you will never be enough. Do not pause your life for someone who's like a grain of salt in the world as huge as yours. You have so many things to look forward to in your future you cannot even imagine at this point.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishpreet and I am a mindset and manifestation coach. So आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है, it's gonna be one of again बहुत सारे लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था बेसिकली ये वीडियो एंड फॉर मी एज वेल पर्सनली आई फील कि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है टू एड्रेस विच इज़ अबाउट गोस्टिंग. ओके, एंड व्हाट डज गोस्टिंग यूजुअली मीन? गोस्टिंग मीन्स जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे होते हो, यू आर बिल्डिंग अ कनेक्शन विद देम, आप उनसे कुछ बॉन्ड क्रिएट कर रहे होते हो एंड यू आर इन द मिडल ऑफ दैट एंड देन वन डे सडनली दे चूज टू लीव without any explanation. They don't choose to tell you anything, they don't choose to give you a heads up and they just like disappear from your life one day. ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं, I mean मैंने खुद ने भी पर्सनली देखा है, मेरे आसपास के लोगों में, उनके साथ बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ है जब उन्हें लगता है that they found someone significant, they found someone who means something to them and then एक दिन पता नहीं क्या होता है, they just choose to leave. जिस भी इंसान को गोस्ट किया जाता है एंड अगर आप उनमें से हैं जिनको गोस्ट किया गया है किसी ना किसी ने, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि एटलीस्ट आई कैन टेल कि आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों को ये बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग रहा होगा ये एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई फुल्ली एम विद यू. मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि हाउ डेविस्टेटिंग इट इज़ जब कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देता, जब कोई कुछ बताता नहीं है एंड दे जस्ट लीव एंड वॉट दैट लीव्स यू विद इज़ लाइक आई सेड अ स्कार, येस, बट दैट ऑल्सो लीव्स यू विद अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अबाउट योर सेल्फ. आप खुद को क्वेश्चन करने लगते हो कि मैंने क्या किया, ऐसा मुझ में क्या कमी थी एंड मैंने ऐसा क्या गलत कर दिया जो इस इंसान ने ऐसा स्टेप उठाया, जो इस इंसान ने ज़रूरी भी नहीं समझा कि वो मुझे कुछ बोले, मुझे कुछ बताए, कुछ मतलब जाने से पहले जस्ट लाइक टू गिव मी समथिंग सो दैट आई कैन हैव अ क्लोजर. हम लोग सब एक क्लोजर को ढूंढते हैं जब भी वी आर ट्राइंग टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम समवन. और अभी भी एट दिस पॉइंट एज वेल अगर आप उनमें से हैं जो मूव ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे हो बिकॉज समवन गोस्टेड यू, लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग दैट इज अ स्ट्रेट अप फैक्ट. ऑलराइट, जब भी कोई इंसान किसी को गोस्ट करता है, इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद यू. It has absolutely nothing to do with how you are as a person, what you did. At least in 99.99% of the times, I can say, it's always the person who ends up ghosting someone. Okay, he is the one जिसके दिमाग में issues होते हैं that he cannot resolve. It could be an insecurity, it could be a fear of commitment, it could be just something that they are not ready for and that they don't have the guts to accept and acknowledge. बहुत लोगों में ऐसा होता है कि उन लोगों में हिम्मत नहीं होती चीज़ें एक्नॉलेज करने की. They just don't have the guts to face themselves. और अगेन ये सब बहुत सारे कारणों के कारण हो सकता है. It could be because of the way that their parents' relationship was. It could be because of the way that they were raised. It could be because of their childhood. It could be because of the experiences that they've had. It could be because of a very negative programming of their subconscious mind. It could be anything. ये उनका डिपार्टमेंट है. It has nothing to do with you as a person. तो अगर आप ऐसा कोई है जो मुझे देख रहे हो who has been ghosted recently, this is your confirmation that there was nothing wrong with you. There was nothing that you did wrong. There was nothing that you had to do. You were enough. You are still enough and you will always be enough. You will never be enough for the person who is not right for you, who doesn't deserve you. उस इंसान के लिए no matter what you do, you will never be enough. उनके जो भी problems हैं, उनके जो भी issues हैं, they try to put it on you, they try to impose them on you by the way of ghosting. And also let me tell you, ghosting is one of the most cowardly things that one can do. It just means कि उनमें जैसे मैंने बोला हिम्मत नहीं है फेस करने की सिचुएशन, हिम्मत नहीं है किसी और की फीलिंग्स को फेस करने की, अपने आप पे it's like owning up to yourself and your truth. जिन लोगों में हिम्मत नहीं होती है करने की, they choose the easy way out. They think कि यार मेरा गायब हो जाना is much better than explanation देना, is much better than फालतू की arguments करना, या फिर they just don't want to explain themselves, to be very precise. Do not pause your life for someone who is who's like a grain of salt in the world as huge as yours. Okay? You have so many things to look forward to in your future. You cannot even imagine at this point. अभी से कुछ सालों के बाद ये इंस्टेंस आपको लगेगा कि ओह मैं भी कितनी बेवकूफ़ थी जो ऐसे किसी इंसान के पीछे अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रही थी, अपने आप को क्वेश्चन कर रही थी. वन डे ऐसा कोई इंसान आएगा जो आपको यही एग्जैक्ट फील कराएगा कि हाउ स्टूपिड एंड हाउ सिली यू वर टू वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑन समवन who chose to ghost you. You don't need a closure. I mean, you don't need them to give you a closure. You can have your closure all by yourself. आपको किसी का कुछ अप्रूवल की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because you know now that it had everything to do with them and nothing to do with you. Okay? So जो भी closure है, all you need to do is take a deep breath right now and accept that this is what has happened. उनको अपने दिमाग में वो जगह दे दो that they don't even deserve to come back and give you an explanation. You are too good. You're too good for that. You're too good to even wait for an explanation. I read this somewhere on Instagram, I think, that if they've ghosted you, let the dead be dead. Okay, something like that. I think it really stuck with me because I feel that's so true. अगर किसी ने ghost किया है, they've gone. Let them be gone. It's done. Your biggest, I don't want to call it revenge. Revenge is a very negative word. The biggest justice that you can do to yourself, the biggest gift that you can give yourself is to move on in a way that you are extremely happy even without them, and you are doing things for yourself. You're accomplishing things for yourself. That is the best payback. That is the best comeback. You don't need to tell anyone anything. You don't need to call them up and saying, hey, I'm going to do these things and I'm going to do this for myself. ये सब करने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. Your actions are going to speak. The day you accomplish the things that you were meant to accomplish, उस दिन आपको लगेगा कि oh man, I'm so glad I did this. Trust me, कुछ सालों में this is all going to make sense. Every person comes in our life to teach us something. हर इंसान कुछ ना कुछ हमें सिखा के जाता है, and just thank them. Thank them for this experience because it made you stronger, it made you wiser, and it now has given you the understanding to make a decision of what and what not to bear, what not to tolerate in the future again. I'm going to wish you the best of luck in your journey of moving on if this is something that you were stuck with. And I can tell you, the fact that you're on this video, I can tell you that you're someone who is determined enough to change their life, who wants to make a change. And that is why you will very, very soon. Sending you all the love and all the positive vibes. Check out my 21 days Raise Your Vibration Challenge. The link is in the description below. It's an outstanding 21-day program where it guarantees transformation for you without fail. Okay, if you're looking for change, if you're looking to get out of a negative mindset, this is the best thing to go for at this point. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, again, the link is in the description below. Join our Facebook community that is growing every single day. You can find your soul tribe there without any judgments, without anything else. Share your stories of manifestation and we all manifest together as a collective group. And that is all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.